So what's up YouTube, welcome back to another episode. In this episode we'll be focusing on adding transaction on your videos, and I'm pretty sure on your previous video a lot of people were really confused because the basic editing tips or techniques, the basic editing tips for vloggers using VideoPad. Some of you guys, I'm pretty sure they were surprised why we can see adding a transaction. So we're adding a transaction now. What is the transaction to have its own specific video? So let's start from this area. So as for those who watched the previous episode, you do know from this area, from those two areas, we decided from the beginning until here to play the video normal. Then from this area, this video, that's where the video speeds. Then here we have a different video. So the person who I'm working with specifically in this video doesn't like so many complicated transaction here, like the straightforward transaction. So to add a transaction on VideoPad, all you have to do is just to click here on that add in between. So let's say for an example, if you can't see, let's say make example here, you see you can see that that thing. So that means your videos are too far. So to get that thing, you need to click zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, so it will appear. The more you click zoom in, it will appear. So if that doesn't appear, just try to zoom in your video until it appears. Then to add a transaction, just click, go there, you just select that that thing, then all the transaction option will appear. So those are all the transactions that we can choose on. So the transaction that I will be using for this video is called cross fade. So cross fade is when a video fades to another video. So let me just try to play. It is super loading, but let me just show you. You see it fades, it the previous video starts to lose its opacity, showing the next video. So let's again do it around this area. So you see around this area we have that transaction box. So how do we show that transaction box? Just zoom in, where was this, the part that I wanted? Oh, this is the part that I wanted. You just zoom in, click zoom in, click zoom in until that transaction thing appears. Then you just click here, then you go straight to cross fade, then you click yes. Sometimes your fade can be a little bit too long. So how do you work around that? You click here. Here we have our duration for the transaction. You can just click there. Then I usually like to use 500 because the longer the transaction, but it don't have to be super long. The longer the transaction, the smoother it is. So I don't advise people to use a very short duration for their transaction, 50, saying this 050. I don't advise this because the transaction one, a lot of people won't even notice the transaction. So the higher the number, the better the transaction is. So for this one, I'll just say 500. Then I'll say yes clip. So yes clip means you want your clip to come together. So if you are editing a music video, I won't advise this because if you use yes clip, the clips will move and come close to one another. Then if you are doing a music video, then the original clips, the original video will lose what an artist is saying towards the song. Guys, this is not a music video thing, but I'm sure you won't understand what I'm saying. But clicking yes, that means your clips will move and come close to one another. So clicking no is just we're adding a layer on top of the videos. So I prefer to use yes or on your video, so you'll see it will start to, you saw it have a little bit of a movement. So let me just try to come close. It won't play because it's still loading.
So I've just finished washing my hair.
So since it's loading, it won't show well, but that's how you do like the crossfade effects. So I'll try like to add a short video. I'll just try to add the example of the those transactions I did as a preview, so that you can know like how they look, because right now like you can see clearly, you can see. So yeah.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did?
Thank you so much guys for watching. This is the end of this episode. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. If you love to let me know what I should do next, leave a comment, and see you on the next episode.